Hey everyone, it's Dawson2 with another unboxing video. I won this from the Beyblade tournament at Toys R Us. I got second place, but I still got a good prize. The second are still 2-pack Poison Fury Showdown. So, like I said, I got second place, but it was a really close battle. And I'm not gonna need the code, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys later. Alright, so here they are. First code, there you go. Get a good look at it. Next code. There you go. Alright. First up, Fury Capricorn ground type. The reason why I call it ground type is because it's brown with the black performance tip and spin track. This would go great with my earth combo, with the color wise at least. See, Earth, Fury Capricorn, and Poison Pegasus. I've actually been needing to get a new jog ball internal defense. There you are. Alright, now let's see the ripcord and launchers and stuff. Alright, so this is most likely, I think this is Pegasus. It's kind of odd color for Poison Bay Rose. Yeah, it's Poison Pegasus. Wow, really cool face bolts. I used the warm wire technique later. It's weird that they would use blue for a bay like this. Oh well. You think I should what do you think? Should I put the face bolt sticker on or no? Yeah, it looks much cooler. Let's put it on. Kind of badly put on, but I can move it a little bit. There we go. And now the clear wheel. Clear wheel done, or almost done. I really don't care about the red one since this is red and that's red. It's kind of a waste of time. There we go. Poison Pegasus. I might be using this Pegasus combo because these are really cool colors. And now, Fury Capricorn. Huh, that's weird. 2 ratchets. Cool. That is awesome. 2 ratchets with 1 Beyblade. That's awesome. I think that's the first time it's ever been caught. Cool. Well, let this be known that I think I'm the first one that comes with 2 ratchets instead of 1. Funny. Funny. And it looks like the stickers are kind of weird because with the last Fury Capricorn I got, the stickers weren't like this. It just had the Capricorn thing up there and that's it. But these are actually different colors. It's weird. It's pretty cool. I got 2 ratchets for one. I think the face bolt's kind of cooler than the sticker, but I'm gonna put the stickers on the legend, or I mean the clear wheel. I really like the black performance tip with the black spin track. It's really cool. And there we have it. The 2 bays. There we go. There we have it. Like I said, there we have it. And I think this is the first time where I got 2 ratchets in one bag. That's basically I got 2 grip, 2 launchers, 2 bays, and 3 ratchets. Because it says includes 2 assembly tools, but I got 3. That is really cool. So basically, like, comment for Beyblade battle videos, or if you want to see these 2 battle each other out, just leave a comment, whatever. And remember, if you want to join my Beyblade team, just remember this. Just tell me your best combos. I'll make them the best I can, and battle them against my best bays to see how they do against them. So, see you guys.